Imagine waking up to bank alerts that say plus $47, plus $112, plus $328 every single month, without a second job, without a side hustle, without even checking the market. That's called mailbox money. And yes, regular 20-year-olds are quietly building it right now. The hack is simple. Own boring companies that are legally forced to send you cash every 30 days because they make so much profit they don't know what to do with it. These aren't meme stocks. These are giant businesses that pay you monthly like clockwork, some for 20, 30, even 50-plus years straight. Examples everyone is searching in 2026, no specific tickers, just the types. Real estate companies that own apartments and malls, pipeline and energy giants that move oil and gas, business development companies that lend to small businesses, closed-end funds that pay 8 to 12% monthly. Start putting $150 to $200 a month into a handful of these and let the dividends stack. Real numbers, average 8 to 9% yield paid monthly. $200 a month from age 22, roughly $9,000 to $11,000 per year in dividends by age 35. That's $750 to $1,200 hitting your account every single month before you're even 40. How to actually do it in 2026 without getting scammed. Step 1. Open a normal brokerage, Robinhood, Webull, Wealthsimple, whatever you already have. Step 2. Search monthly dividend plus 8% yield or higher. Step 3. Only buy ones that have paid every month for 10-plus years straight. Step 4. Turn on DRIP, automatic reinvest, so your payouts buy more shares. Step 5. Add $100 to $200 every paycheck and watch the snowball markets will dip. Your monthly payout might drop 10 to 20% for a year. Who cares? You're still getting paid while everyone else panics. By age 35 to 40, most people in this game are pulling $1,000 to $3,000 plus every month in pure cash flow. Some quit their jobs. Some travel. Some just stack it. This isn't theory. Thousands of 20 and 30-year-olds are already doing it right now while their friends blow money on rent and takeout. Comment Mailbox money when you start building yours tonight. Like and subscribe. Next week we drop the one asset that quietly 10 times in the last crash. Now go get paid every month for the rest of your life. See you in 7 days.